Hi, David Gates, Waterline Boats, Port Townsend, Washington. Bringing you this 2019 Ranger Tug R-23 Pacific Northwest Cruiser. Coming across the bow of the vessel, the stainless deck, windlass anchor, hatches, radar appear to be in good condition. Walk alongside the starboard, you got a good view of the aft deck. We will enter the vessel through the transom door, which presents us a large companionway with glass door. Bringing our view towards the deck, we have benches, speakers, power, hookup, washout, and stainless steel rails. Coming along the port side deck, we get a good view of the coach house roof, canopy, solar power, hatches, and windows. Coming across the bow of the boat, we see the windlass, chain, anchor, large stainless steel rail, and looking back to the large curved windshield with radar and horns. Taking our view down to the forward deck, appears to be in nice clean condition, and then looking up towards the back of the vessel. We'll now move towards the starboard side. Windows, hatches, stainless steel rails, and navigation lights can easily be seen. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Should you have any questions, please give me a call, David Gates, 714-658-4390, or email me at davidgates@waterlineboats.com.